Hi, my name is Christa, and I am a licensed marriage and family therapist at Nystrom& Associates in Bloomington. And I'm also a human being currently living on a planet experiencing a global pandemic. So I thought it might be appropriate to talk a little bit about worry and anxiety and some techniques that have really helped me to deal with my worry and anxiety. One of my favorite teachers is named David R. Hawkins. He was a psychiatrist, and he actually taught something pretty shocking about how to deal with anxiety. First of all, he pointed out that anxiety is actually only ever a physical sensation. Yes, we have thoughts going on, but those thoughts are all in the realm of the hypothetical. Anxiety and worry is all about what ifs. What if this happens? What if that happens? We're picturing scenarios, and before you know it, we're on the floor in the fetal position because we can't handle how scared we are. Dr. Hawkins taught that the best way to actually go after dealing with anxiety is to focus on what's physically happening in your body at the moment that you're feeling anxious. So all that means is a practice of sitting down, setting a timer for a few moments, and just focusing on, okay, can I handle the feeling of tension in my shoulders? Can I handle the feeling of my heart racing a little bit? Can I handle the feeling of my stomach feeling upset? And all those sensations that we get when we're really worried and scared, right? So he taught that instead of trying to figure it out on the level of our thoughts, basically trying to think our way out of anxiety, is to, when the minute we realize we're fearful or anxious, we stop paying any attention to our thoughts. Now that can be hard to do, but actually what you should do is just kind of let them go by, almost like you're watching leaves on the top of a river, passing by under the bridge. It's like you don't really pay much attention to each specific one, but you notice that they're all there and they're all passing by. And while that's happening, while you're kind of letting the thoughts just go on, do their own little circus and all the trying to get you, all worked up, is that you focus on your body instead. Because worry and anxiety is all in the realm of things that haven't happened yet, Dr. Hawkins taught that all we really have to handle is literally what's happening right now. And all that is, it's what's happening with our body. So, the next time that you feel worried and anxious, don't try to figure it out. Don't try to think your way out of it. Don't try to numb it out. All you have to do is sit down and ask yourself, can I handle the feeling of dryness in my mouth? Can I handle the feeling of tension in my shoulders, and maybe my neck is aching because I'm so tense? And you'll realize that actually, yes, you can handle that. And it might make you feel a little bit more empowered. But remember, if you take anything away from this video, is don't try to figure out your anxiety. It wants you to engage. It wants you to try to figure it out because it wants something to gnaw on, kind of like a dog with a rawhide bone. So, if you take away that power from it, you'll realize that it's just your body going through physical reactions. And you can handle it. So take care. We're all in this together.